This is a hard page in the workbook. I
can help you.
Thank you.
Hello everybody, this is page 11 in the Let's Go 1 workbook, and we're starting Unit 2, which is about colors and shapes. And this is the Let's Talk part. So we're going to just read and trace for part A, and this is from the dialogue, so let's watch it again.
Oh, hi Andy.
Hi Jenny.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Hi. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
Okay, let's trace. First, Andy says, "Hi, how are you?" So we trace it. Hi is big H and I. How are you? Big H-O-W is how, R-A-R-E, and you, Y-O-U. How are you? And Jenny says, "I'm fine, thank you." So trace I'm, I''M, and then fine, F-I-N-E. And thank you, big T-H-A-N-K for thank, and you, Y-O-U. Okay, part A is done. This is part B, and it just says read and write. And in our books, it was this pattern, the how are you pattern. All right, let's practice it. First, we've got how are you? Should we say I'm how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, how are you? Or great, how are you? We need hi. So here, let's write in hi. H-I. Hi, and we'll trace how are you? H-O-W-A-R-E and U, Y-O-U. We used hi, so cross it out. It's done. Next, we've got I'm how are you? I'm how are you? I'm great. We should use great. I'm great. Big I, apostrophe M, and then great. G-R-E-A-T. We can cross up great. And now we have another blank. Should we say, I'm great? I'm great. How are you? Definitely we should use how are you? Big H, O-W, space R-A-R-E, space U, Y-O-U. I'm great. How are you? Cross off how are you? Only one part is left, so we need I'm, big I, apostrophe M, and okay. Okay. And we're done. I'm okay. All done. Good job, everybody.